What do you expect me to say? You know that I will always find a way to fuck up everything that we ever made. Some people change and some people don't. Don't give it another shot. We've had enough, I think it's time to stop. I fucked up everything we ever made. Some people change, but you know I won't. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, forgive me, you have to find a way. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, believe me, you have to run away. What do you expect me to do? Push you away when we're both feeling blue. No lies can help with what you're going through. Some things can change, but you know it won't. Why do we wait for the worst? Everyone knows that the ending is...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually Sunday and we just finished church and I'm deciding to... Oh, my boat driver is calling. Let me quickly pick. So I just finished from church now and I want to go and try out Bole for the... not for the first time, for the second time in Port Harcourt. So the boat driver came and we headed to our destination. But one thing I wasn't really clarified about was the fact that these Bole people do not open on Sunday. And I did want to go to the other Tush Bole place we went to sometimes backwards. I saw that one on Instagram. That was why I decided to go there. So I also checked online and I saw this one, and the location for this one was at number 4 Secular Road, Elekaya. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that is where this one is located. And when I checked, it was local, like it was just like a local spot. So that was why I decided that I was going to come here. But when we were going to the destination, we asked some people, because the driver himself did not really know the place, so we had to ask questions while we were walking or we were driving, sorry. So on getting to a certain place and we asked someone, he told us that the people do not come on Sunday. So that was how my plan failed. So if I knew that they were not going to be around on Sunday, I would have made preparations to actually come another day except Sunday. So I just told the boat driver to take me straight to psychiatric hospital, and that is how I landed home. And I decided to go to the market to get few things I'll be using to prepare my vegetable sauce and yam. One thing I've been doing very well is actually cooking. I've been experimenting a lot and I'm so happy for myself, because this is just like the only opportunity I have to exhibit my skills. After now, I'm going to be locked in my school hostel and that is going to be the end. I'm going to be eating my school food and there is no way on earth I would have access to gas, not to talk of cooking. So that's basically it. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
nurse on duty. Come and get your injection.